So, Karo, acha nikuulize.
Yes. We mse wa nduthi. Nduthi gang.
Toka enda. Wewe.
Hi guys.
Hi guys,
And welcome back to our YouTube channel.
I am Samuel Munene
And I am Caroline Duru.
And we
are the voice of the media team.
Now for the final game, which is a Bible trivia. This game, so far the points are 130, 140. You guys, you can redeem yourselves with this game. So you all know the rules of the game. It is where when I ask a question, once you get it right, it's 10 points. If you miss, it goes to the next team. You have 30 seconds to answer. So now we begin. The pace setters. So the first question is, which of Joseph's brothers promised Jacob that he would bear the blame of anything happened to Benjamin in Egypt? Which of Joseph's brothers promised Jacob that he would bear the blame of anything happened to Benjamin in Egypt? Genesis 43, 8-9. Nope. Pass. So it goes to the team Ineos. Which of Joseph's brothers promised Jacob that he would bear the blame of anything happened if anything happened to Benjamin in Egypt? Wrong. See Hosea. The answer is Judah. So now, the question goes to Ineos. Near what city did Jesus heal blind Bartimaeus? Near what city did Jesus heal blind Bartimaeus? Mark chapter 10, verse 46 to 52.
Bethlehem.
Wrong.
Jerusalem.
No.
Nazareth.
No. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To them.
Yeah.
Wrong. Near what city did Jesus heal blind Bartimaeus? Mark chapter 10, verse 46 to 52. No. No. Correct. Jericho. The ball was still in their court. 5 marks. The question goes to Pesetas. So, question is, what was going on at the home of Mary, the mother of John Mark, while Peter was in prison? What was going on at the home of Mary, the mother of John Mark, while Peter was in prison? Acts 12:12. Acts 12:12. What was going on at the home of Mary, the mother of John Mark, while Peter was in prison? 20 seconds.
Celebration.
No.
Funeral. Funeral.
No. Hata sijui tupeke uia tujibu. Aya, time's up to Ineos. Wakishindwa niko ya napeana answer. So Ineos, what was going on at the home of Mary, the mother of John Mark, while Peter was in prison?
They were gathering, they were praying for Peter.
They were praying. Aya, so the question to Ineos. What building did... So the question is, what building did Joash order to be repaired? I repeat, what building did Joash order to be repaired? 2 Kings 12:4-5. 2 Kings 12:4-5. What building did Joash order to be repaired?
The temple.
Correct. So let's go to the pace setters. Who had the words that God spoke to him written out and then had those writings burned up by the king? Ai mwenyewe nimejishtua. Haya. Acha nirudie. Who had the words that God spoke to him written out and then had those writings burned up by the king? Jeremiah 36:1-23. Jeremiah 36:1-23. Correct. Yaani umepewa two answers. Hata wewe ameshtuka, wewe hata anajua. Hata mimi nilikuwa first choice. Siko kwa Jeremiah. Let us continue. Ineos. Who said, "Do you understand what you are reading?" Who said, "Do you understand what you are reading?" Acts chapter 8:30. Yes.
Paul.
Nope.
Stephen.
Nope. Koi ni nini? Acts chapter 8:30. The one who said, "Do you understand what you're reading?" Time's up. To the pace setters, who said, "Do you understand what you're reading?" No. Nope. Time's up. But now goes to the pace setters. Your question is, what ruler of the Jews? What ruler of the Jews came to Jesus at night seeking the way of eternal life? John 3:1-5. Hey, hata hii. What ruler of the Jews came to Jesus at night seeking the way to eternal life? John 3:1-5. No. No. Sema. Hey, Frida uko nayo lakini hutaki kutoa. Time's up. To this side. What ruler of the Jews came to Jesus at night seeking the way of eternal life? Aye. Correct. Nicodemus. So Ineos, this is your question. So this is your question. Which Bible book records a man using a stone for a pillow? Which Bible book records a man using a stone for a pillow? No. Which Bible book? No. No. Time's up. For pesetas. Which Bible book records a man using a stone for a pillow? Which Bible book records a man using a stone for a pillow? No. Tumia mic. No. Tumia mic. No. No. Correct. Genesis. We continue. Oh, it's your question. Complete. Twende kazi. Complete. I will fear no evil, even though I walk through the valley of. Correct. Ineos. Who shall be made the footstool of Christ? Who shall be made the footstool of Christ? The footstool of Christ. Wewe, footstool. Hiyo hata exam unajiulizanga hiyo swali alafu ndo unajibu. So aya basi acha niwapatie book Hebrews 10:13. No. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Time's up. Haya, pesetas. Who shall be made the footstool of Christ? Correct. The enemies, his enemies. Wait, devil's the enemy. So the question is to the pesetas. Which of Joseph's son did Jacob place first? The older or the younger? Aini rahisi. Which of Joseph's son did Jacob place first? The older or the younger? The Genesis 10 to 20. The younger, correct. Aya, to Ineos. The younger. Aya, who sent disciples to Jesus to ask if he was the one we are expecting? Hey, say ni ngumu. Correct. So, pesetas. Who said, shall I go and get one of the Hebrew women to nurse the baby for you? Who said, shall I go and get one of the Hebrew women to nurse the baby for you? Ati Abraham. Time. Ati Mary. No. No. Asiope ibuki ni rahisi. Book ni rahisi. Book ni rahisi. Siope ibook. Hapana. Easy. Ini exception. Time's up. Aya. Hiyo hata si correct. Miriam. Natumema tu sahi hapa tu Exodus. The final question before I ask an open question. Your final question goes to Ineos. So, which gospel records the fulfillment of many Old Testament prophecies? Which gospel records the fulfillment of many Old Testament prophecies?
Luke.
No.
Matthew.
Correct. Hii game imeisha, lakini sasa kuna swali nataka kutupia watu ambao wako kwa mtandao, watu wote wapatie kwa comments. So your question is, who is the only Gentile writer of books in the Bible? I'll repeat. Who is the only Gentile writer of the books in the Bible? So give us your answers at the comments. Hey, your director ameiva. Msimuone hivyo. The question is, who is the only Gentile writer of the books in the Bible? So, I want us to conclude our game with our marks. So, tupatie marks. Kura zimeingia sasa. And here are the results. So, kama kawaida, our first runners up. You can always guess who are the first runners up. The first runners up are the Pesetas. Oh no. Oh no. This is Team Ineos. So the winners are the pace setters with 183 points and Team Ineos 165 points. So till next time, see you on our next episode.
Someone has been having an amazing Bible trivia. So I remember someone who was starting the pandemic and you were telling people that we'll just be online. We said people should read their Bibles. You remember that time?
Yeah.
So we decided, since students have been reading, let them do some tests. And we brought up something called a Bible trivia. But this guy, enyewe suhurumiange watu wa Mungu.
Shida yao kawa somi Bible.
Ish! This guy is dropping questions. Me, myself, I'm like, hey, koko Bible. Do you know anything called Pentateuch? Hata sisemi hiyo jina.
Pentateuch books.
Ish!
Sini,
Mimi alisema niko like, I remember kitu kayo Primoma High School.
Sini the first law book.
Ish! He's even saying it. I don't know. So get to know more about it.
And so we have posted in our last Bible trivia. We have posted we have posted a question to all of you. So we'd like you to put your comments, give us an answer on your comments so that we can give you marks. And we can give you a shout out in our next video.
Tujue uko kwa team gani, Pesetas ama?
Team Ineos.
So make sure you check out the question that we have given you on our Bible trivia, and you've got the answer. Maybe there's something in store for you. We can't reveal. Yeah, so make sure you participate. Make sure you answer us, and then we're going to get to know who is reading their Bibles.
It's a wrap from us.
And thank you so much for joining us. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. Cheers.
P.C.E.A. Ongatorongai Youth Fellowship. Ashikangi handles zote. Bye.
Oh.